and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a stunning steel body, absolutely beautiful 37 Ford Street Rod. Come on up, let's take a walk around and look at it. Guess what, folks? You're going to be surprised. This Ford little coupe is actually powered by a 302 HO motor out of a 95 car. It has about 15,000 miles on it, and it is wonderful. It's hooked up to a C4 transmission and a 350 rear end. It is absolutely beautiful. It is stunning how clean this little street rod is. It is all steel except the running boards and the front fenders. So the body and the rear fenders are all steel. We're going to drop the hood, take you around, show you the body, and we'll go from there. The paint is called Midnight Passion Plum. It's a Ford Pro paint from back in the 90s. It has, like I said, steel body. All the doors are shaved, so there's poppers for all of them. Super straight car. The only flaws I saw in the paint were right here. I don't know if the paint wasn't prepared right, but just right here there's a little bubble right here. It's very hard though, so I don't think it's anything serious. Beautiful pinstriping. This car is absolutely a gem, and it's sitting on Weld race wheels that look absolutely stunning on here. And there's trunk popper, door poppers. It is just beautiful. All right, Aubrey, let's pop the trunk and check it out inside. Let me pop the trunk button there. And inside the trunk here is very well detailed. Got a little bar here to hold up the trunk. Very well detailed trunk. You got a battery compartment in the back. This car is just absolutely, it was done absolutely beautiful. I don't know if I mentioned too, it's a C4 trans with a 350 rear limited slip rear end. I'm going to drop this here and take a walk around and look at the beautiful paint. It says Family Passion there, and it's a purple passion paint. Absolutely beautiful. You got your steel rear fenders, your glass running boards, glass fender, beautiful glass body. It's one of my favorite body styles. The exhaust comes out right here underneath the running boards. The door poppers there. Look at that. Look at this. Beautiful metal here. Unbelievable car. This car will not last, folks. Call me today. It's a unique, very well built. It's got a perfect rake. Call me today. It's not going to last. 248-974-9513. What a beautiful interior. You got the voodoo gauges. This build has 23,000 miles on it, which I like to see on a street rod. That means it was used because it's comfortable. And this one is, you got a power electric windshield wiper, AM FM cassette equalizer. You got an oil pressure gauge, temp gauge, volt gauge, fuel gauge, RPM gauge, speedometer, beautiful tilt wheel, no horns, automatic shifter on the floor. You got one burn, it looks like a burn mark right here on the seat, but other than that, the interior is absolutely flawless. The headliner goes along with the seat decor, and there's actually a small back seat too. I'll get it open here for Aubrey so she can check it out in back. There you go. It's really cool. Really tasteful build. We're going to fire it up here and let you guys hear it. It's tight, very tight vehicle. What a cool rod. Hey, thanks again for joining us today at VanguardMotorsales.com. Please go to our website on the top, become part of our social network, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to us, and you'll see cool cars like this before they're offered to the public. Because stuff like this does not last. Our cars move quick. Also, whether you're buying from us or not, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to purchasing a muscle car online. We've saved many people thousands of dollars in scams on the internet. Once again, I'm Tom Fotios. Please call me. I'm available 7 days a week, 248-974-9513. We're here to put your dream in your driveway. Thank you.